How's it going, guys? Vaibhav here and welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about the Oppo Enco W31 true wireless headphones, and instead of going to the website, through the specifications and giving you guys my thoughts and impressions, I've actually got the headphones with me, and this is a first for the channel. Very exciting stuff, so a special shout out to Oppo for making this possible. But without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. So the headphones come in this box with their graphic and labeled up front, and the back highlights some of their key features. I think having IP54 water and dust resistance is pretty cool, but hopefully I find out more about the other features as I use them a bit more. Anyway, the box is a snug fit, and once you open it up, you get the case with the headphones inside, but also a booklet for information, which I actually found quite handy to learn about the headphones features, as well as your warranty information. There's also a very small Type A to Type C USB cable included to charge the case, which is a nice touch, but I think you'd want to use a longer cable that maybe comes with your smartphone to do that. And there's also some replacement tips depending on the size of your ear as well as the comfort level you're going for. Now, to the headphones themselves, the case has this sort of matte finish, which I like, with the charging port and a nice hinge. It doesn't support wireless charging, and the case opening and closing in this manner doesn't give you that satisfying one-handed AirPod sort of feel, especially with how it was with the Apple older generation, but I think it's pretty good when it comes to build quality. The actual headphones also look pretty cool and have this fair bit of premium feeling to them, and they magnetically attach to the case, which obviously helps with them not falling out. So yeah, these are the W31s from Oppo. As you can see, it's a pretty small case in the hand, and if you open them up, you've got this nice little LED notification light to tell you whether or not you need to charge them, you need to, connect them, if they're connected to a smartphone, etc. And this function key, which basically helps you with pairing and unpairing via Bluetooth to any smartphone. This works on both Android and iOS. I've tried it on the Apple iPhone 11 as well as the OnePlus 7T Pro. But the headphones themselves, they're really comfortable in the ear, and I can't say that for any other smartphone. These don't fall out, these are very good to use on extended periods of time, and they've got some functions built into the stem of the earphone. So if you double tap on the left side, you basically switch audio profiles. There's a classic one as well as a bass one, so that's pretty cool. And on the right stem, which I'm not wearing right now, you can basically switch tracks with a double tap on the right stem. But aside from that, if you actually pull them off, they disconnect or they pause what you're listening to, and once you put them back on, they again restart it automatically, which is really cool. Now, there's a bit of a latency when you're pausing and playing, but that aside, I've had no problems with these, and so far I haven't had to charge them because they came 100% charged, and it's going to be interesting to see how long they last in terms of battery life and how fast they charge up once they're out of battery life. But that about sums it up for the W31 Enco earphones from Oppo. Let me know what you guys want to see with them. It's pretty exciting to do a review on this channel once again, and thank you guys for your support recently on the previous video. Make sure you keep it up, subscribe, like, comment, etc, etc. Thanks for watching. This was Vaibhav, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.